So today we will see how to fix the workflow trigger issue, which is we'll find in our kind.ci file. So guys, when we have created our workflow, we see that when we go to all workflows in GitHub Actions, we see that our continuous workflows got failed because the error in our this file where we found the issue is regarding the YAML file error where we were using the Azure as PM, and there we have changed it as on job. Means we have changed the job name in our YML file to on keyword. So I will go ahead and to my code in YML file and will explain you what went wrong. So this is our workflow, and there we have created a kind.ci.deployment file, and in this file we have changed the kubectl. We have installed it manually so that it will not pull it from the repo. Means it will not install directly from on Azure, and we have mentioned it on Azure, so that we have replaced it and asked them to install it manually from the curl library. So in this way we have solved this error. Now also we are using the virtual box here, which is Oracle virtual box. We have an internal VM in our Oracle virtual box which is responsible for managing the workflow. So that Azure VM we have replaced with our manual kubectl VM. You can see here, and now these are the basic steps which we have to know, just to get to know information like the cluster information. So in order to check that our deployment is running or not, so I will also get the cluster information. So it is running at this node in order to verify that workflow is running, and also the code DNS is also running. And we can also check that through kubectl command, the deployment, how many nodes are working here. So I will hit this command, kubectl deployments. So these are the hello image is there, which is our app where we are running the 3 replica sets here, and they all are in ready condition. Okay, so and if you want to get the cluster information, we have already get it to, and when we want to get to kind info, so I will get to get nodes. Sorry, that is not the command. Here we can get pods. Suppose I have to get the pods. So these are the 3 instances which are running in our hello email app, and these are our running on control plane nodes. So I will also give this command for nodes information. So kubectl I will write and get the information from kubectl get nodes. So this is the one control plane node which is we are doing the single node cluster, just to explain you that what is happening behind the scenes. And once we will run this workflow, and we found that it is been successful, and when we go to here actions, we'll see the list of workflows which we have triggered. And suppose if I have to rerun this job, then I also go on here status. I will click simply on here. See guys, this is the success that we have run on push event. Okay, so this is all about our fixing the workflow trigger syntax in our kind-ci.yml, which we have done, and I will update the kind-ci.yml file in the description as you are following my playlist. So you would need the changes. So this file I will copy and I will update in my description so that you would understand the next workflow. So I hope you might have got the understand the issues what happened in our kind-ci YML file, and now we are able to run our deployment successfully within the single node cluster in our Ubuntu VMs by managing it on our GitHub Actions, guys. So this is all about our issues for managing the kind single node cluster. Thank you for watching.